guys, we are back, and let's searching this of.
Hey Thomas Clark,
Let's hear this.
do you know where's the boxes of Banzo's toy box?
Okay.
I don't know where is it. I don't know where is it. Go at
What the hell?
the lower floors. You can see that box. I hate you so much, Thomas Clark. Why did you hate me so much? I hate you.
I voice it and I click this stuff. I don't know what is that.
Breaking news. Playtime Co Factory has been shut down in
That.
months, and we can't find any people inside.
Let's make
Thomas
it
Clark is dead, and all of them is dead in the factory, except that prototype guy. That's our breaking news.
I hate this. Let's go another stuff.
1006, the prototype. He's coming to my door. Please, help. I need to run so fast, and I can't. Somebody help me. I will go to you next. Thomas Clark.
Clark. That's a weird name, guys, for my new stuff.
So, I saw Thomas now Clark King. You will get my green hand. You will die! I gotta run. I'm coming for you next, you people who created me. You will suffer.
What the hell?
1006, the prototype.
I don't have
Now
water.
he's coming for me now next for eternity.
What I said?
Come into my room, and he barged into someone's base.
Not base.
I can hide. I can hide.
I know. Okay. I have my theories surrounded it. I'm gonna build this. Where's the note? Notes. The prototype in someone's hiding spot. Clark. That's his full name. Okay, that's a lore. I will make that theory.